Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about how to fix mobile data problem in your Motorola smartphone. So if you are having weak connection, slow internet, or is there a crash of your mobile network, so you can do these 2 to 3 things to avoid this. So simply first you have to open your airplane mode. So by doing it, it will refresh your internet connection. You have to just turn on for 10 seconds only, and after that you have to turn off. If you are using the mobile data, just again turn on it and it will be fixed. The second thing you can do is you can just go to the settings of your smartphone, and in the search here you have to write reset. So here it will show you the reset option settings. Just go there, tap on the reset options. Here it will show you the reset mobile network settings. So if it is not done by this first method, you can adapt this second method. This will reset all mobile network settings. Now you have to tap on this reset, enable the password which is your phone unlocking, and then you have to click on reset network settings has been reset successfully. And if it is not done, you can just restart your smartphone. This problem will be fixed. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.